Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover Shopify versus Squarespace, best Shopify alternatives in the AI era. In today's fast-evolving digital landscape, the question of which platform to choose can be daunting. Shopify and Squarespace are two of the most prominent players in the website building arena. With the influx of AI-driven features and innovations, it's now more crucial than ever to understand which platform might be the best fit for your needs. Whether you're looking to set up an online store or a versatile website, making the right choice can significantly impact your success. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. When comparing Shopify and Squarespace, the key is understanding their core purposes. Shopify is tailor-made for building online stores. It's designed to handle everything from product listings to payment processing, making it an ideal choice for e-commerce. On the other hand, Squarespace is a more versatile platform. It allows you to build a wide range of websites, from portfolios to blogs and more, with e-commerce capabilities included. Ease of use is a crucial factor, especially if you're new to website building. Squarespace shines here with its intuitive, drag-and-drop interface. Its visual editor gives you a clear view of what your site will look like, making it perfect for beginners. You can easily add elements like galleries, text, or new sections, and there's a built-in AI that helps maintain a visually appealing layout. This smart assistant ensures your site doesn't end up looking disorganized, allowing for a smooth and rapid setup process. Shopify, while not as visually intuitive as Squarespace, is still beginner-friendly. It offers pre-made sections that simplify the site building process. This is great if you're focused solely on selling and aren't concerned with intricate designs. However, if you want to personalize these sections extensively, you might need additional apps. Despite this, Shopify remains a robust choice for those prioritizing sales over aesthetics. When it comes to design, Squarespace is known for its stunning templates. Although its library consists of 194 templates, each one is unique and crafted by Squarespace, ensuring high quality and consistent support. These templates are ideal for creatives and small businesses looking for beautiful, ready-to-go designs. In contrast, Shopify offers 24 free templates, but it boasts a vast theme store with nearly 1,000 premium options. While this variety is great, the quality and support can vary, so it's wise to read reviews before purchasing. E-commerce functionality is where Shopify truly excels. It automates many aspects of order fulfillment, including email notifications, payment processing, and order tracking. This automation can save you significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Squarespace, while offering basic order fulfillment, doesn't match Shopify's level of automation. However, it does provide third-party payment processors like Stripe and Square, which are reliable options. Marketing is another area where Shopify stands out. With extensive tools for email campaigns, social media, and SEO, it equips you to boost your reach effectively. The inclusion of AI features, such as AI-generated ad copy, further enhances your marketing capabilities. Squarespace offers solid marketing tools as well, with basic SEO settings and integration with Google Analytics. It's a more streamlined approach, suitable for those who prefer simplicity. In terms of integrations, Shopify's App Store is unbeatable, with over 8,000 apps for everything from advanced automation to loyalty programs. This extensive library allows for significant customization of your store. Squarespace, while more limited with about 100 integrations, covers the essentials needed for most businesses. Shipping is another critical consideration for e-commerce. Shopify integrates with numerous carriers, allows label printing within its dashboard, and offers discounted rates, making it a top choice for businesses that ship at scale. Squarespace, suitable for smaller sellers, lets you buy and print UPS or USPS labels directly, simplifying the process without overwhelming you with options. Pricing is where Squarespace takes the lead. It's more budget-friendly, with plans starting at $16 a month, making it accessible for small businesses or individuals starting out. Shopify's pricing is higher, reflecting its advanced e-commerce capabilities. It charges processing fees, and if you don't use Shopify payments, there's an additional transaction fee. However, for businesses selling frequently, Shopify's shipping discounts can offset these costs. In conclusion, the choice between Shopify and Squarespace largely depends on your specific needs. If you're a small business owner or creative looking for an easy-to-use platform with beautiful designs, Squarespace is the way to go. It's perfect for building stylish websites with minimal effort. However, if you're managing a larger store with a significant volume of sales, Shopify is tailored for that level of e-commerce activity. Both platforms offer unique strengths, and your decision should align with your business goals and priorities. Let's explore some practical examples and real-world use cases to help you decide which platform might be best for you. Imagine you're a photographer wanting to showcase your portfolio while selling prints online. Squarespace might be your go-to because of its stunning visual templates and simple integration of e-commerce features. You can create a seamless experience for your visitors, allowing them to admire your work and make purchases without leaving the site. Plus, with its easy-to-use interface, you can quickly update your gallery as you add new works. On the other hand, if you're running a clothing brand with a large inventory and frequent promotions, Shopify could be more beneficial. Its robust inventory management system and ability to handle complex catalogs make it ideal for fashion businesses. Shopify's AI-driven insights can help you identify sales trends and optimize your product listings for better visibility, making it easier to manage your stock and boost sales. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. One frequent issue is underestimating the importance of mobile optimization. Both Shopify and Squarespace offer mobile responsive designs, but failing to preview and adjust your site on mobile can lead to a poor user experience. Always check how your site looks and functions on smartphones and tablets to ensure it's user-friendly across all devices. In terms of troubleshooting, if you encounter issues with payment processing on Shopify, double-check your payment gateway settings. Sometimes, a simple setting or permissions issue can cause hiccups. With Squarespace, if you're having trouble with design elements not displaying correctly, it might be due to browser caching. Clearing your cache or trying a different browser can often resolve these issues. For beginners, a useful tip is to start with a clear sitemap. Outline what pages you need and what elements each page should contain. This planning step can save you time and help you avoid getting overwhelmed by the design options available. Lastly, don't forget the power of community forums and customer support. Both Shopify and Squarespace have active communities where users share tips and solutions. Engaging with these platforms can provide valuable insights and help you overcome any hurdles you face while building your site. When considering Shopify alternatives in the AI era, it's essential to look at emerging platforms that leverage AI to enhance the user experience. BigCommerce, for instance, is a strong contender. It offers a robust set of e-commerce tools similar to Shopify but with greater flexibility in terms of customization. BigCommerce AI features include predictive analytics that can offer insights into customer behavior, helping you tailor your marketing strategies more effectively. Another noteworthy alternative is WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress. While it requires a bit more technical know-how, WooCommerce offers incredible flexibility and control. It's an excellent choice if you're already familiar with WordPress. And with AI-driven plugins available, you can automate various aspects of your store, from customer service chatbots to personalized product recommendations. Wix is also worth mentioning, especially for small businesses and entrepreneurs. With the introduction of Wix ADI, artificial design intelligence, creating a website becomes more intuitive. Wix ADI guides you through the process, asking questions about your business and preferences, then creating a site layout tailored to your needs. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who might find themselves overwhelmed by too many choices. A common mistake when choosing a platform is focusing solely on the initial cost. While platforms like Squarespace offer lower starting prices, considering long-term growth and scalability is crucial. For instance, as your business grows, you might require more advanced features or integrations that could incur additional costs. Troubleshooting can sometimes be daunting, especially when dealing with plugins or third-party apps. Always ensure that your platform and all installed apps are up to date. This simple step can prevent many common issues. If you face performance issues on Shopify, for example, consider checking the app load on your site. Too many apps running simultaneously can slow down your site, affecting user experience. A tip for those new to e-commerce websites is to utilize trial periods or free plans. Many platforms offer these, allowing you to test out features and see which suits your needs best before committing. This approach can save you from making costly mistakes down the line. Remember, the best platform for you will align with your business goals, technical comfort level, and long-term strategy. Keep exploring and learning to find the perfect fit for your online presence. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand Shopify versus Squarespace, best Shopify alternatives in the AI era quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.